Hi everyone, welcome to my tutorial. Today we are going to learn about Autocad, specifically 3D drawing. Now this is computer application 2 for Diploma, which normally has two questions. One is on Autocad and the other one is on QuickBooks. So we are going to go through this task. Now we've been told to open a CAD program and make the following settings. Units should be in millimeters, precision should be 0 decimal place, then length type should be decimal. So let us change the units. We go to format and you go to units. So it should be length type should be decimal, precision should be 0. Okay, then units should be in millimeters. Say okay. Then next we are told to insert two layers with the following properties. The first layer is edges and the second layer is which is dimension. The edges should be 0.8 millimeters. Dimension should be 0.2. So we go to format again, then we go to layer. You say new layer. This one is edges. Line weight should be 0.8. 0.8. Say okay. Now we create another layer, which is dimension layer. This one should be 0.2. You say okay. You say okay. So after creating layers, we've been told to draw figure 1 as it appears on the layer named edges using the indicated dimensions. So it means that we need to set the edges layer to be current. Go to format again, layer. We set these edges to be current. We say current. Okay. So you can now start drawing. For my case, I'll be using isometric drawing. So let me change the working environment to isometric. I'll type snap style here, press enter, then you press 1. So you can see the cursor has changed from plus to multiplication. So I can start now anywhere. Let's look at dimensions. Let me just reduce this one. Now dimensions, this one is 90. So let me draw 90. So let me activate auto, which will allow me to draw perpendicular lines. So pick a line. This will be 90. Press enter. So that line is to pick. Let me just zoom in, zoom extends that way. Okay, so that is 90 millimeters. Then we have this one. If this one is 70, so 70 minus 40, that is 30, divided by 2, it should be 15. So pick a line again. This one is 15. Use F5 to control direction. So that is 15. 15 by 20. Then we have 40. Come again by 20. This one 15. Then we have 90. Okay. Now from here up to here is again 90. So big line here. Use F5 to control. This 90. Again, F5. That is supposed to be 15. We just undo. F5 15 by 20, then 40. Come here again by 20. And you can join this repeat line. Let's join this one. Again, you need to repeat line. Join this one. This. Okay. Now repeat line from here up to say is 90. Let me just zoom in again. Few zoom. Extend. Now big line. Now we still have this one. 15. Let me join that. From here 90. Okay. Now we can start drawing these circles here. So first of all, I will have to join from here up to there. Okay. Then I need to identify the center or the midpoint. So midpoint, the radius of the smaller circle is 15. So bigger circle. Let me just look at this one. Objects and app settings. Make sure all of them are checked. Select all. You say OK. So I'll enter the midpoint. Then I'll enter the radius. Radius is supposed to be 15. Now in this case, we'll not use circle. Let us use ellipse. So click on ellipse. Then you say isocircle. Isocircle. Press enter. Specify the center of the isocircle. So it should be the midpoint. Select all. Say OK. It should be the midpoint. Just enable Apollo. Should be the midpoint. Okay. You can use F5 to control that. So specify the radius to be 15. Okay. You can repeat ellipse. Say isocircle. Press center. Specify the center. Center is still the same. Now radius is supposed to be 35. So I'll say 35. Okay. So you can see that one is okay. Then I'll have to copy this. So I'll go to modify, say copy, This one is press enter. So I'll have to move this one. I need to displace by 90. Repeat copy. Let me copy this. Press enter. Then I displace by 90 again. Okay. Then the next thing is to maybe join from here up to here. Okay, so I can join, pick a line, tension, like that. Now next thing is to maybe trim. Before I can trim, let me join this one. Okay, so I can trim. Activate trim command. Select this. Okay. Press enter. So I'm going to trim this one. Sorry, I'm going to trim this. Let me trim again. Press enter. Let me trim this. This one you can just erase. Sorry. Just erase this one. Okay. Now let me trim the other one. Select this. Press enter. Trim this. We just remove this, erase this one. Trim again. This one. Press enter. Trim this. Also this one. And just erase this. Let me repeat trim again. I think we are now done with trimming. Now the next thing we can do is to dimension or trim. Okay. Can just erase this one. Okay. No, there is a line we've not completed from here. Then I can trim this one. Center. Delete this. So can proceed. Let me just erase this one. Okay. Now the remaining part is for us to dimension. So we are going to dimension using dimension layer. Format, go to layers, then you select dimension layer, make it current. You say okay. So got the dimension, we are going to use aligned dimension. So from here to there, they are not visible. Let me just enlarge. Go to modify text. I'm going to increase the scale here, let's say to 3. See, okay, close. This 90. Now for that layer, dimension style, modify. Let me just change the unit to be 0 degrees. It's not okay. Now we can use oblique if I want this dimension to look exactly like this. So I'll go to dimension, then you say oblique. I use oblique. I select this, then I press enter. So then you specify the angle. Let us try 30. It's okay. The other dimension is from here. So dimension aligned from here up to somewhere there, to tangent. Okay. Again, we can use oblique. Go to oblique. Select the object. Enter. Now let us try 150. Cannot be 150. Oblique. Select object. Let us try 30. That is okay. So that is how you can dimension. Now for this radius here, we are going to use a leader. Let me point this one. Then I indicate here that it is 15. Now for the other one, let me also repeat leader. Okay. It's supposed to be 35. So 35. Okay, so that is how you can dimension your drawing. So we are done with our drawing. Thank you so much for participating. See you in my next presentation.